Hi everyone, welcome to the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration for 2023. This is hosted by me. I am Deb with Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and more on this channel. And every month on the 18th at noon Eastern, a group of us, make jewelry according to a chart that has mandatory color requirements. Could be one color, could be multiples, could be either or kind of thing. It depends on the month. And then there are two options, and they're kind of random. So this month, the colors were turquoise, white, or clear, or all metallics, I think. Let me just double check. Turquoise, white, clear, and or metallics. You're looking at the piece I made. Option one was make a snowflake themed piece or set, and I did not do that, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. And then the option two was make a turtleneck friendly necklace, i.e. long. So, excuse me, so I did do that. This necklace is 22 inches long with a 2-inch extender. And I am working through the December 2023 bargain bead box, and this Apatite pendant was in there. It's drilled front to back, and I didn't have pinch bails, which would work with that. And the hole was kind of small. So what I did is I pulled out 22 gauge German style silver plated wire. These are the 3mm faceted round apatite beads from the bargain bead box, and I did a pattern of like 5 of those, and then a crystal, and then 5 of those and a crystal. And I actually I made like a wire wrapped loop, and then I went down, and then I started back up again. So I ended up here and tucked the tail end up there. And I think that is really pretty. I hope you're able to see that. Isn't that a beautiful stone? You can see the wire underneath. And then these frosted crackle agates are from the bargain bead box. The 4mm clear AB crystals are from the bargain bead box. However, we didn't really get any other apatite except those 3mm. We got some London blue looking stuff, so I went in my stash. And I had gotten a while back from BB Craft these 8mm apatite rounds. And also I had gotten from Beadbox Bargains a while ago these 11 to 12mm blue apatite rounds. So I brought those in from my stash. The bead caps on the larger beads are from December bargain bead box. And to bring in turquoise, I brought in this Soft Flex medium. I bought a 100-meter spool on a closeout. It doesn't feel as thick as their regular medium wire. I think it's 19 strand, but I couldn't be positive about that. Anyway, I bought that on clearance a while ago. I decided to end it with a toggle clasp because it's rather heavy, and I want to show you something else in a minute. And this is the German style wire. I don't know. I used to get this at Michael's or even Jewelry Television. I'm assuming they still sell this. They used to make it, maybe they still do, in a factory that's about 15-20 minutes from me. Anyway, I just did like a 3 apatite. I did not put crystals down here because I thought they might rub, but otherwise I did, after the 3 apatites, I did a crystal, the agate, the larger apatite, and then the agate, the crystal, and then 3, and I did that all the way down until you get to here. And then I actually, sorry for my nails and my hand, I'm kind of a mess this week. I double crimped. I used Soft Flex, they're probably sterling silver crimp tubes, 2mm, but this has some weight. These large beads are really heavy. So I double crimped. I put a crimp here and here, and the beading wire actually goes down through this second apatite bead here. I put a closed jump ring here. Of course, I had to put the chain on with an open jump ring. And I didn't want to have a lot of weight in the back, so I just used the agate one of the small apatites, and a crystal. And that's very lightweight. The extender chain came in a box of multiple tons of extender chains from BB Craft. I can't remember if I bought it or if I got it as part of a promotion. And then this was from Beadbox Bargains, this lobster clasp here. And I did use wire guardians because I hooked this turquoise wire right onto the closed jump ring and the lobster clasp. So I wanted it to be secure, and I used those magical crimping pliers and did the double crimp. So that is my necklace project. Like I said, it's 22 inches, which isn't that long on me, but that's why I made it extendable to 24 with the extender chain. Let me know what you think. Do you like my piece? I didn't have a chance to make earrings or anything for it. Oh, and the reason I didn't make anything with snowflakes yet, even though Bargain Bead Box has snowflakes, is because I just made these for Joy of Blue collaboration. If you missed that, I made this bracelet, which has triple snowflake, and the earrings, which has triple snow, or double, I'm sorry, etched link snowflake links, and they're in that turquoise and white and clear also. So they kind of count for this too, but they were made specifically for Joy of Blue, using, which is the last Joy of Blue. This, she's not doing it for 2024. However, my collab will continue next year. I don't know if it'll be on the 18th. I haven't decided that yet. It might be because some other things are going away middle of the month, so I might just leave the date alone for this one. We'll see. So stay tuned for that. I'll make an announcement, and if anyone's watching this that's in this collab, all but 2 of you have responded to me now. I sent an email. Be sure to check your email if you haven't sent me back an answer. There's 2 of you who haven't responded. I would greatly appreciate a response either way, whether you're participating or not. And if I don't get that soon, I actually sent a reminder the other day. If I don't get a response to one of those 2 emails soon, I'm just going to assume you're not interested, and we'll move on from there, because I'm not going to send the color chart, which I haven't put together yet, until probably after Christmas now, between Christmas and New Year's. Okay? And that way you'll have a chance to get started on it. For those that confirm, they will continue, and we have 1 new participant, I believe, and we'll let you know her name once we get started next year. So join us in 2024 for the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration. It really is a lot of fun. Some of the prompts test our abilities and our creativeness, because they might be colors we don't usually work with, or metals we don't work with, or some other material we don't usually do. So yeah, the only thing that was really, this is a strung necklace, but the only thing I did a little differently is this wire wrap around the top of this beautiful apatite pendant. All right, everyone, take care. Have a wonderful Christmas if you celebrate that, or happy holidays if you don't. And we'll see you, if not before. I might not be posting anymore the rest of this year. I have a lot going on personally, and not just the holidays, but other stuff too. So anyway, I probably will not be posting again until the new year. I might end up posting another Bargain Bead Box makes, or Potomac Beads makes or something. So we'll see. I just don't know, because my time is pretty strapped right now. All right, guys, that's enough whining. Sorry about that. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and soon Happy New Year. I hope it's a healthy, prosperous, fun, happy one for all of you. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.